So this current situation is really forcing employers to show their true colors. I have a cousin who didn't have to work on Friday, not because it was Good Friday, but simply because her employer recognized that the work-life balance kind of gets screwed up when you're working from home. And so they closed the office on Friday. Just do whatever, have a mental health day. I thought that was amazing. And then you have other employers that are actually giving their staff double work. The staff is working more now from home than they did when they were in the office, simply because some employers just feel like you need to justify your salary a little bit harder nowadays. It's kind of crazy. I do have a day job, and so generally my weekends are really where I ramp up and work on my side jobs, right? So this weekend, I just took a mental weekend. I needed it. My body told me I needed it. My face, I normally have really clear skin. My face has been breaking out on my forehead for the past, I'd say 2 to 3 weeks. And it's been driving me crazy. And I just kind of realized, I think I was just stressing myself out and I was just overworking myself. So I took the weekend off. Saturday, I ordered some things from Lowe's and Home Depot and I went and picked them up. Didn't have to go through the store. I paid in advance and just picked them up at customer service. And they do have a curbside pickup. I didn't do that, but they have it too, both stores. Pretty awesome. And then I came home and I was like, yeah, I'm just done. I didn't do anything else. And then yesterday, I started 3 projects. DIY stuff is like really relaxing for me. So I'm making a concrete planter. I'm excited. Never worked with concrete before. Have a newfound sense of respect for people who do work with concrete because my back is still killing me. It's like real work, manual labor. I don't think I have to work out this week at all. I'm good. I'm all tapped out. I'm done. So the planter, it's setting. It says 5 days. I think I'm just gonna leave it until Sunday just to be, on the safe side. I'm not the most patient person, so wish me luck on waiting that long. And then I also did a plant stand. The plant stand is complete. It's crooked, but I love it. And that's for the planter once it's done. Again, hoping it sets properly. Well, fingers crossed on that. And then the third thing is actually my easiest. It's something I've done before. It is a jewelry stand for my mom. I made one for myself like about 6 months ago, and my mom really liked it, and she's been hounding me for it. So I also bought the wood for that. And last time when I made it, I had shelves, they were 2 inches long, and they have those cup hooks at the bottom. And I bought those and I just stuck them on the stand. But this time I'm gonna try and make the shelves myself. So I was able to cut the wood that I had that I'm using for the stand, and then I had a few other pieces like scrap wood. Always save my scrap. I always save the scrap that I have left over from different projects because it comes in handy. And so I'm gonna use, I think, 3 of those scrap pieces. And I have to order the cup hooks, but I'll probably sand that down tomorrow or even today if I'm finished early. Take some more time for myself if it's not raining. It looks like it was gonna rain, but hopefully it doesn't. But how are you guys doing the whole work-life balance thing now that you're working from home? Are you guys feeling a challenge? Is it harder for you to do it, or is it easier for you to do it? Let me know. Have a great week.